Jack potato? So this is, she wouldn't say it, but we're going to introduce it.
Mr. Chinnery's.
Mr. Chinnery's or Marcy's Argie Bargies. Right guys, we are here at Mr. Chinnery's and today is something completely different because Marcy is going to do a cooking video for us. And what we doing, Marcy?
Chicken and onion bargies in bread.
In bread, as in a sandwich?
Yeah.
Yeah. Alright?
No, in bread, as if you live in Whitby.
Well, over to you.
No.
This is my first time ever cooking chicken. Ever
What?
in my life.
Ever?
Ever in my life. So, let's see how it goes.
She's been out of the Matrix.
Bit of
Oil.
I guess. Swirl it around. That seems right.
Is the hob turned on?
Yes.
Awesome.
And
Whoa, what's that, Marcy?
curry paste.
Curry paste.
Swirl that around. That seems right. Also. Chicken. I'll go all three.
Yeah. Are you sure the hob's turned on? Yes,
Yes,
it is.
It is. It's making a noise. Hey! Go on, Marcy.
Off we go.
So you've never cooked chicken either?
No, never.
Do you normally buy them already cooked?
Yeah, I just get like the fried chicken and do it in the oven.
She normally just eats peaches.
Yeah, I don't eat anything really.
That can. So, tell the people what inspired you to cook tonight.
You told me to.
Oh, yes, that's the one. Cook!
Cook now!
So do you want me to tell you my funny story that happened earlier
go
on?
then, yeah.
So basically I went for a walk along the beach and when I was walking back, this old man started talking to me and he invited me into his house to show me some things. I went in, obviously.
Obviously.
And,
Did you go in?
Yeah.
To see his etchings?
Yeah. And he actually turned out to be a very nice man. And he showed me lots of like rocks and stuff that he had. And he'd found loads of Whitby jet on the beach and he made jewellery out of it and stuff.
I'm going to follow you down beach and ask you to come back to my house.
He was very nice. He was called Paul.
You sure his name weren't Peter?
What?
Not Peter.
No, Paul.
Not Peter File.
Can't be a paedophile. I'm an adult.
Oh, yeah. Jesus, there's a loophole I've never thought of. Edit that, James.
Edit that.
Right.
What's next?
I'm just gonna go with the flow and see how it turns out.
Go for it.
I'm just gonna put some garlic powder on it.
Oh.
A bit more.
It's all close and possible.
Give it a little bit of a thing around.
And mix it up there?
Yeah, there was a bit of raw chicken there. Get that cooked. Gonna
Hey.
It pops out!
Gonna add some of this.
Turmeric.
A bit more of this stuff.
The recipe's not very good.
Oh, it's fine. And a bit more oil also. Oh, that's quite a lot of oil. Bit of this. Having quite a lot of fun actually. And some of this.
What is this?
If you want to see the recipe of Marcy's cooking, then you can pin it to your Channel 4 scrapbook.
Give it a bit of a stir. You'll want to stir it right at this point.
Why have you gone Australian? It's just happened,
No,
hasn't it?
shrew.
Closer each day.
So actually this looks quite nice so far. I think I might even put the onion bargies in here as well.
Why did you look at me when you said that? Did you see?
Yeah.
Just to see by like reactions if I'm doing it all wrong.
It would be lovely if you mashed it all together, wouldn't it?
So it fits in the sandwich and that.
All in due time. I'll let it cook a little bit first and then I'll mash it. Give that a bit of an extra go around. Could I possibly have... Oh no, it doesn't matter.
No, what? What do you want?
Okay, so that's really raw, actually. So I'm going to keep cooking that for a while, I think.
You can do a wibble wobble if you want.
Wobble and come back if you want.
Do you want a wibble wobble?
Yeah, it just saves time then.
You have to wibble wobble.
You have to wibble.
And now it's cooking.
And then back in to the wibble wobble.
Well, we come back in when it's fucking cooked.
It'll get there, it'll get there.
Sorry, it does take a while.
8.5 fucking minutes, mate.
8.5 minutes to spin.
No, that's what I've cooked for the 3-course meal.
Probably panicked then. Ooh, it's looking quite nice actually.
So, Marcy, would you like to tell the people at home about what's good about Mr. Chinnery's Emporium?
The staff. The books, the food, the location. It's right next to the beach, it's right next to the cinema. Friendly people.
You can imagine what a CV looks like, can't you?
What is?
My CV is very stacked actually.
Is it?
Yeah.
What have you got on it at the top of the list?
What do you mean?
As in, like, what are you most qualified?
Health and social care.
Oh.
You fit right in either.
Yeah, caring for all the old ladies.
Yeah.
No, the problem with health and social care is that health's only come out at Christmas, so it seems, doesn't it?
That was a silly joke.
Health and social.
Yeah.
They only come out at Christmas.
Yeah, alright.
Okay, so now I'm mashing up the onion bargies just a touch. And let's see how the chicken's getting on. Oh, Jesus Christ. So that's actually looking almost there. I'm going to rip it up a bit now to help it cook more. Because it is still quite raw in places. I've put a lot of spices on this, I think. Because when I breathe in the air that's coming off it, it chokes me a little bit. So.
Not saying anything.
Shut the fuck up, dude.
Okay, so that's coming along nicely. Bit more of that.
Not that.
And get that in there, obviously. Yeah. Bit more oil. And some salt.
Oh!
Still filming. We haven't done this one. We're doing two videos.
Well,
That can stain.
that's your white like it.
Yeah.
Not now, right? When you can.
I'm
Too
worried
late
it's
now, isn't
stained.
it?
Sorry, Jen.
What?
Laura forgot that we started late. You're doing absolutely fantastic, Marcy, by the way.
Thank you.
Maybe if you jumped up and down a little bit for views.
No.
James,
Huh?
will you jump up and down a little bit?
I'll jump up and down there.
Right, a bit more oil. Just to give it a bit of moisture. That's not going to stain that, is it, Matthew?
No.
Okay, now we're getting to the point where this almost looks like it could be done.
Marcy.
Brilliant. Oh,
Like that. Oh.
Yeah.
It's his favourite. He likes
Is
likes
it good?
chicken medium well.
Oh.
is it good?
Yeah.
Is it actually?
Yeah.
No, it's not, is it actually?
It's like it's my recipe. Right, that's done.
And I'd say that's about done.
I'll get you a plate.
This is just buttered bread, so yeah. I don't know if I do want to put yogurt and mint in it. But I might just put that on the side.
No, the top. Be alright.
Okay, fine. Fine. Now, just decanting the chicken into the bread. Right.
That looks so good.
Yes, yeah, put it on.
I brought you
Just a baby yogurt and meat.
fan foods.
Oh, okay, it's just going to squirt just a tiny bit over it. Just got to be careful with the words that I used. Okay, so this is the finished product. Just going to put a bit of that extra chicken in there. Put the onion Bargie there. Oh. Oh. It's all come out.
Going to put it in that.
Yes. Okay.
Well done, Marcy.
Let's come out and the sides just a bit.
That's okay.
There you go.
So, here is Marcy's. Argie Bargie. Argie Bargie, Marcy, say it.
No. Argie Bargie.
That's what it's called, an Argie Bargie.
So this is, what did we call it? Marcy's
Fish finger sandwich with crisps. Right? Oh.
No, what was it? Marcy's onion Bargies.
Argie
Argie
Bargie.
Bargie.
Chicken.
Argie Bargie. Oh my god. It's falling apart. Right, go for it.
1, 2, 3. Yes.
Is it nice?
Yes.
You can tell me honestly.
I've not bit there.
No, I don't want to eat it. No.
I've not bit there.
The chef can't eat. The chef can't eat.
I've not eaten that bit at all. Try it.
No!
That's their problem.
You're not getting mine.
Is it alright?
Mm.
Do you actually think it's good?
Try that bit.
No,
Honestly, it's lovely.
Marcy, you
I'll
need
just
to.
eat a bit of a tiny bit of chicken or something.
Just eat a bit of chicken.
That's not that bad.
Unfortunately, now I get to reap my revenge.
You need to what?
Reap my
You're
revenge.
going to give me a shit score because I've given him a bunch
Oh.
of scores.
No, that's French for.
Yeah, so the chicken was a little bit dry. I'll give myself a little bit critique.
Oh. Oh, me bowels. Oh,
Your bowels?
yeah. It's that bad.
They're alright, they're here in this baggie.
Yeah, you'll be shitting nice and clear after that. I want a lengthy review after. Not so bad first time cooking chicken. I had a parmo from somewhere in Great Ayton yesterday and it was pink in the middle.
Nice, this Marcy. Maybe you should cook chicken again.
Maybe. Sometime in my
Should do it
life.
for yourself. Should do jack potato. Jack potato in the microwave. Chicken. Stuff it in.
Sausages, stuffing,
Some of this shit.
dog treats.
It's nice, isn't it?
10 broccoli!
Hey!
It was beautiful!
Fantastic.
See you later, chicken lickers!
Bye.
You can lick them if you want.